Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the famous drugstore concealer that has gone viral right now. It's the Makeup Revolution concealer. It's this £4 baby right here. I'm not even kidding when I say that these two took me a long time to track down. I went to 4 different Superdrugs and they were all sold out. And then last weekend I was actually in Westfield, Stratford, and they only had these colours left, which was C3 and C4, which I thought could work for me, so I picked both of these colours up. And I'm going to be comparing it to the Tarte Tape Shape, which is very famous within the beauty world and everyone loves this concealer. I love this concealer too. It's been my go-to for the past 3 to 4 months, and the problem is it's hard to get hold of, especially if you're in the UK, and it retails for £22. So £4 compared to £22, you know, that is a big difference. And I do actually have both of them on right now because I'm filming this part after I've done the makeup part. So I do have both of these on right now, and honestly guys, I can't tell the difference. I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't be able to tell the difference, like which side is which. So one side is worth £4 of concealer and the other side is worth £22 of concealer. So yeah, you do the maths. My friend actually picked up Shape Tape for me when she was in America. I actually tried to get hold of it for the longest time because, you know, everyone was talking about it, saying that it was amazing and that you just had to try it. And especially when I watch Nikki tutorials, when I watch her use it, I'm just like, oh, I need that concealer in my life. So when my friend went to America, she picked one up for me, and it is a little bit light for me, but because I wasn't there in person, you know, I didn't really mind what colour I got. I just wanted one. If you want to see whether the Makeup Revolution concealers are worth the hype and how it performs in comparison to the Tarte Tape Shape, then keep on watching. I'm going to be using my Tarte Tape Shape. This is a fair neutral, so as you can see side by side, the Tarte Tape Shape is actually a little bit bigger, but then again it's a lot more expensive. So I've already done my eye makeup and I've put on foundation, but I haven't put foundation on underneath my eyes, so you can still see like my dark circles and eye bags. And honestly, I would normally put this on top of foundation because I would put foundation in that eye area anyways, but just for this video and for maybe people who don't wear foundation and you just want to see how the concealer performs on its own, I'm not going to put foundation underneath here. So I'm going to start off by using the Tarte Tape Shape, which has been my go-to for the past maybe like 3 to 4 months. I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes, like so. I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend that in. Like, I already know that I love this concealer just because of the full coverage, and I feel like it's one of the best full coverage concealers on the market right now. So I normally just put it on my under eye area and then bring it down to my nose. I feel like this colour is a little bit too light for me actually, because my friend actually got me in America, and not being there in person, it's actually quite hard to judge what colour you need. And it's so hard to get hold of if you live in the UK, unless you know someone who can get you it, or you're willing to pay like customs and that and buy it on the Tarte website, then it can be really tricky to get hold of. But yeah, I normally go in with some contour and a little bit of foundation on top to balance the colour out. So far, as you can see, it covers really well. It's like dark circles gone. I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution one. This is my first time using it, so I'm really excited actually. It's still a little bit on the pink side, but there wasn't any other colours for me to choose. And I feel like it's not as thick as the Shape Tape. Oh wow, this blends really nicely. This actually blends a lot easier than the Shape Tape. And my gosh, can you see that coverage? It's almost identical to the Shape Tape. And if this is £4, boy, this is gonna be my new favourite go-to. Actually feels and looks almost identical to the Tarte Shape Tape. This is £4. I am really impressed because if you look at that, it is almost identical. And if you find it hard getting your hands on Tarte Tape Shape, then I would highly recommend you trying this out. Although I have a feeling that it's going to be sold out everywhere now in Superdrug, because I had to go to 4 different Superdrugs to get my hands on 2. So I feel like I need to go back and pick up a few different colours, because I think that this one is too light for me as well. But having said that, it actually matches with the other side, the Shape Tape that I have. Honestly guys, these just look identical. My mind is blown. I'm gonna go and do the rest of my makeup because obviously this is not a finished final look. So I'm gonna go do that and I shall be back in a sec. So I've done my makeup and this is what I've gone for today. And as you can see, with the concealers all set with powder, concealer, a little bit of contouring on top, they just look identical. So it's no surprise what I think about this concealer. It's just amazing. And honestly, if I find the right colour, well, if I manage to, like within the next few weeks, because my Tarte Tape Shape is actually running out. I'm kind of low on it. So if I can find the Makeup Revolution concealers in the right shade for me, I think that that is going to be my new go-to. Honestly guys, for £4 you cannot go wrong. Like, what other concealers are good? Actually, all the concealers that I use are mostly over £15. So £4 for this. I'd like to see how it compares to the Collection 2001 as well. Or I think they've changed their name. I think they're just called Collection now, because that is quite a cult drugstore concealer as well. And that's known for high coverage and, you know, long lasting at an affordable price. So maybe I should do a comparison between those two. But for now, Makeup Revolution, you've got my attention. Like, I am all over this. I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.